Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and this is the Daily Rant. So it's been absent for the last 2 days. I'm sorry. I was a little too busy to create it, but today it's back in force, and hopefully we'll be there every day. Today's rant is about what probably is the hardware that drives the most people crazy: printers. So here, my daily rant comes from a article that I've seen that some people claim that Brother has made sure that you can't use third-party ink after a firmware update that degrades or just stops the printing if you're not using the original, inkjet or cartridges or the laser cartridges that come with these, that should be used in these printers. I think we can pretty much all agree that one of the biggest scams ever that we have on our PC world is printers. The extreme high cost of inks that typically cost them pennies to create has always been kind of a scam. Oh, well, look at that. The printer's $49. Yeah, but the ink's $100 and it doesn't last very long. And then we got practices that a lot of people go crazy about and that are close to being scams again. HP, particularly with its subscription service, which is a big joke. Come on, please. Over time, of course, this has put most major manufacturers in hot water. Gone are the days when we just buy a printer, and if you wanted to buy, some third-party ink that would cost you, fractions compared to the price of the original ink, without any problem, is, it's kind of going away slowly. And there's a lot of talk, like the brother post that I've seen. Now, there's some discussion there that we can, because Brother has come back and said, no, we don't do that. But also remember that third-party inks are not all high quality. So it could be just whatever ink the person purchased. But overall, printers have always been a problem. The add of, chips now in the cartridge that counts how many pages. This is another scam. You will have a cartridge that, may be capable of 600 pages when you really want to empty it. But yet, after 400, it stops. And that's because there's a counter. We're not looking at how much ink there is. We're looking at, we limit those at 400 pages, which, once again, is another scam because there's still some ink left, and sometimes a lot of it. So this is where, you got to be careful when you shop around for printers. Personally, I have one of those EcoTank printers. I got an Epson EcoTank that I'm so happy because, the printer's more expensive, but now you just fill up these tanks with bottles of ink. And from the purchase, out of the box, they tell you you've got thousands of pages of printing already without having to buy new ink. So, they reduce the cost. Even though the printer is more expensive, they do reduce the cost a lot. And these are much better than, most of the printers out there. But I don't know. Printers from the beginning pretty much all felt like scams until today, where there's still, for some, scams again. And I think that the purchase of, EcoTank printers, many manufacturers have them. Like mine is an Epson, but Canon also has these printers with huge tanks that, you just fill up when they're empty. And that really reduce the cost of printing. But one of the biggest scams out there, printers, definitely. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.